सो हे व्हाट्स अप एंड फाइनली आई एम बैक अगेन विद अनदर वीडियो। तो हाँ भाइयों, बहुत दिनों बाद मैं फाइनली वापस आ चुका हूँ एक न्यू वीडियो लेके। और हाँ, इतना डिले करने के लिए मैं तुम सबसे माफी भी चाहता हूँ। तो जो भी हो भाई, इन दिस वीडियो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू क्राफ्ट दिस Beyblade. And the most amazing part of this Beyblade is this Beyblade actually has rubber. The red color things that you can see on the layer plate, it's actually pure rubber. And because of this rubber, this Beyblade actually creates huge impact while attacking the other Beyblade. And that is why this Beyblade is called Impact Drake. So yeah, as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to craft Impact Drake with the 960 Ratchet and also with the low rush pit. So alright everyone, let's get started. चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Alright, let me just quickly dry up the template using my hot iron, and as you can see now the template is fully dried up. And now let's just quickly cut it out using our scissors and cutters. And guys, while you are cutting cardboard templates or cardboard pieces, always try to use a sharper cutter. जब भाई तुम कोई भी कार्डबोर्ड काट रहे हो, डेफिनेटली एक शार्पर या तेज धार वाला ब्लेड वाला कटर यूज करना है। इससे भाई तुम सबको कार्डबोर्ड काटने में आसानी होगा। ठीक है
समझ गया।
Alright guys, so finally I'm done cutting the template of Impact Drake. Now we just have to make some extra copies of Impact Drake by using some more cardboards. तो एक बड़ा सा कार्डबोर्ड का पीस ले लो, उसके ऊपर टेम्पलेट को रख दो, उसके बाद कलम, पेंसिल, पेन जो भी मिले ले लो और Impact Drake का जो टेम्पलेट है उसके चारों तरफ पेन को घुमाओ और एक्स्ट्रा कॉपीज बना लो। Alright, so in total I have made 5 cardboard template copies of Impact Drake, and I think this is enough, but in your case if you want to increase the thickness of Impact Drake you can make more. Alright, now if you want to know how I made this 9 Ratchet template, so make sure to check out my Phoenixing Beyblade making video. In that video you will get the tutorial about making this 9 Ratchet template. Alright, now we just have to make some more extra copies of this 9 Ratchet template like the way we did with the layer blade template of Impact Drake. Now we have to make some circles for the height 60 of the Ratchet 9 like I'm doing in the video. और भाई सही में बताऊं तो मेरे को समटाइम्स ये सर्कल बनाते समय बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेशन फील होता है। अगर पूछोगे क्यों, तो अबे यार ये सर्कल बनाने में इतना प्रॉब्लम क्यों होता है? अरे So alright everyone, finally I'm done drawing all the cardboard template copies for Impact Drake, and now we just have to cut them using scissors and cutters. तो चलो भाई धीरे धीरे सारे के सारे कार्डबोर्ड टेम्पलेट कॉपीज का अच्छी तरह से काट लेते हैं कांची एंड कटर के मदद से। उसके बाद भाई हम धीरे धीरे बेलेट को भी बनाना शुरू कर देंगे। Well, mostly I use ice cream boxes to craft cardboard beylades, and you know ice cream boxes are mostly kept in the fridge, and that is why I'm using my hot iron to take out all the air and water from the cardboard pieces. And this is somehow you can say optional, but yeah, if you really do have a hot iron like me, make sure to do this guys. It will help you to cut the cardboard pieces more properly and easily. तो हाँ गाइस, ये वाला काम थोड़ा सा ऑप्शनल तो है, लेकिन फिर भी अगर तुम्हारे घर में मेरी तरह ऐसा कोई आयरन है तो मेरी तरह भाई ऐसे कार्डबोर्ड के ऊपर इस्तेमाल कर लेना। तो इससे भाई तुम्हारा कार्डबोर्ड और भी ज़्यादा हल्का हो जाएगा और इसका अंदर का जितना सारा पानी और जो हवा है वो बाहर भी निकल जाएगा, और इससे भाई तुम सबको कार्डबोर्ड काटने में थोड़ा सा आसानी भी होगा। तो हाँ, ये कर लेना। Okay, now let me just quickly add some shininess on our Impact Drake template. And if you are a new for it, then I know you are definitely thinking that why I'm using Fevicol glue to add the shininess. So you are gonna see that later. और हाँ guys, template के ऊपर ज़्यादा Fevicol glue मत डालना, और हाँ Fevicol glue की जगह कोई और glue यूज़ मत करना। मैंने ऐसा भी बहुत सारे comments देखा है जहाँ पर guys तुम सबने बताया कि मैंने भाई shininess डालने के लिए सुपर glue यूज़ किया है। तो नहीं भाई, ऐसा करने का कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है। टैबलेट्स के ऊपर भाई शाइनेस डालने के लिए फेविकोल ग्लू इनफ है। तो हाँ भाई, तुम सब फेविकोल ग्लू ही यूज करना। ओके, नाउ लेट्स जस्ट क्विकली कीप द टेम्पलेट टू ड्राई अप यूजिंग माय हॉट आयरन, एंड देन आफ्टर 10 minutes we will see the condition of the template. So okay, until then let's just quickly cut out all the cardboard templates step by step using scissors and cutter. Okay, after hours of cutting, finally it's time to craft our new Impact Drake Beyblade with the 960 Ratchet and also with the low rush pit. So alright everyone, let's just quickly get into the crafting, but before that let's just quickly give a good look on our Impact Drake template. And you can clearly see with the Fevicol glue, after drying up it's looking much more shinier and much more colorful than before. तो हाँ भाई, ये Fevicol glue भाई टेम्पलेट के ऊपर डालने के बाद Beyblade टेम्पलेट देखने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा चकमका एंड शाइनी भी लगता है और देखने में और भी ज़्यादा कलरफुल भी लग रहा है। तुम सब वीडियो के अंदर देख सकते हो। तो चलो भाइयों, आप धीरे धीरे इस Beyblade को भाई बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं। Okay, I am done sticking all the cardboard template copies of Impact Drake on the Impact Drake template, and as you can see the layer bed is looking pretty thick, but still we are not done yet guys. We have to do more, like doing the shaping, adding super glue all around the layer blade template, and also guys we have to do about the rubber part. So yeah, and now let me just quickly make the Ratchet 960 that comes with Impact Drake. Okay, so the layer plate of Impact Drake and also the 960 Ratchet is almost done, but as I've mentioned before, we are not done yet, we have to do more. So now I'm going to shape the layer plate of Impact Drake. Ow!
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
थोड़ा सा जल रहा है लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. Yeah guys, just a little bit, just burned my finger a little. Alright everyone, as you can see now the layer plate is looking much more better, because after doing the shaping, as you can see all the cardboard templates are lined up with the layer plate template of Impact Drake, and that is why now this layer plate is looking pretty similar to the real one. And as you all know that guys, this Impact Drake Beyblade is made out of cardboard, so definitely it's not going to be that much strong or durable like the real one, but yeah, by using super glue we can easily make it much more stronger than before. So yeah, make sure to do this. If you have super glue, it will definitely gonna make your billet much more stronger and also durable than before. And yeah, for the rubber blade parts, I'm going to use some hot glue gun glue as rubber, because at this moment I actually don't have any rubber, so that is why instead of that I'm going to use some hot glue gun glue. And yeah, it is definitely going to work like rubber. तो हाँ भाई, अगर तुम चाहो तो हॉट ग्लू गन यूज़ कर सकते हो, और अगर चाहो तो भाई तुम लाल कलर का जो रबर मिलता है वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, इससे भी काम हो जाएगा. लेकिन मैं तुम सबको रिकमेंड करूँगा भाई तुम हॉट ग्लू गन ग्लू ही लगा दो, इससे भाई बिलेट का जो एक्यूरेसी है वो रहेगा. Okay, now for the low rush bit, we need a sketch pen like this one. You can use any pen you want, but make sure that the pen that you are using, it definitely need to have something that looks pretty similar to gear like I am using in the video. So alright, now let me just quickly show you the process of making the low rush bit. Alright guys, so finally our new Impact Drake Beyblade is ready to go in a rampage in the Beyblade Stadium, and as you can see the layer bed is looking much more beautiful and colorful with the color, and yeah, pretty much accurate like the real one, I hope so. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And here's the Ratchet 960. Yeah, I know not that much accurate like the real one, but yeah, I really tried my best to make it look as much similar like the real one. And here's the last part of Impact Drake, and that is the low rush bit. Well, unfortunately I was not able to paint it properly with blue color marker, because at that moment I was almost out of blue color. So anyway, now let's just quickly assemble our new Impact Drake Beyblade together. तो हाँ भाई, सामने से तो देखने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा खासा लग रहा है, लेकिन हाँ पीछे से उतना ज़्यादा एक्यूरेट नहीं है. लेकिन देखो भाई, ये तो एक कार्डबोर्ड पेलेट है, तो भाई ओरिजिनल के साथ अगर कंपेयर करोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा भाई ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. But anyway, here's our new Impact Drake Beyblade made out of cardboard, and now let's just quickly put it into a test. Let's see how it performs in this Beyblade Stadium. I'm really excited to see the impact power of this Beyblade. I don't know. Subscribe.